easier than physics and chemistry.
It was nice, it was easy. I did well.
Okay, you did well. Okay, that's good.
The paper was a bit easier.
Okay, which set?
I got set one. Nothing was difficult, but it was lengthy, too lengthy.
Okay.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து சிபிஎஸ்சி வந்து 12th எக்ஸாம்ஸு மேக்ஸ் நடக்குது. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம எப்படி இருக்கு இந்த எக்ஸாம்ஸ் அப்படின்றத பசங்க கிட்ட ஃபீட்பேக்கும் பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்றதும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதில் வந்து இன்னைக்கு உமன்ஸ் டே வேறு இல்லையா, அதனால் நிறைய பேர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, அவங்களையும் விஷ் பண்ணலாம். தென் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸையும் நம்ம விஷ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு காத்துட்ருக்கோம். எப்படி இந்த எக்ஸாம்ஸ் எழுதினாங்க என்னன்றதை பார்த்துருவோம்.
Hello. Happy Women's Day. Would you like to answer a few questions?
Come on, let's answer. Come. Yeah,
Yes, sir. How are you today?
yeah, good.
Good. Okay. And how is your child's preparation?
It's going well, I think so.
Okay. Okay. And particularly for the maths exam, how is it?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
going.
Okay.
He did it good.
Okay. And how have you supported your
Not my support. Everything is him.
their
preparation. Yeah.
their preparation? Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay. Ma'am?
Yeah, he was doing well. He was working very hard.
Okay, that's
We
great.
support, like I supported. I was staying awake when he's staying, like in the late
Okay,
night.
that's good,
He's studying
yeah.
late night. I used to prepare for whatever he needs. I just
Okay. Yeah.
support him in all the ways.
Yeah.
So I
That's
used to
really
motivate
nice,
him.
Yeah.
So he's okay. Like he's a bit confident.
Okay, that's
Let's
good.
see.
That's
We are
good,
just
that's
hoping for the
really-
best.
Yeah, and then mental health was there.
Yeah,
anything?
actually a little bit like he was worried. Even
Okay.
though even after the like hard work,
Yeah.
like he was feeling a bit scared.
Yeah,
He was
yeah,
worried.
exactly. Yeah.
So maybe I just motivated him. See, you have done your best.
Yeah.
So like whatever comes, it's all assured. So I don't worry. Just do your best.
Yeah, that's possible. Yeah. And what's his future plans?
Future plan. He is interested in data science and
Okay, nice,
AI.
really nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So
Okay,
actually, he is looking for.
So-
like, he will do his BTech.
okay,
BTech
so
in data science and AI.
okay, so does he want to go for JE and?
Yeah.
Okay,
He is
right.
doing it.
Revealing all the
Okay.
plans.
Okay, now actually today is a max exam.
Yeah.
So I think after this they'll be free. It's
Yeah.
only 2 more exams, only English
Okay.
and computer science is left. now
Right.
for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's relatively easier
Yes,
compared
yes,
to
yeah,
the other.
yeah.
Okay.
They are very
right.
comfortable with it.
Okay.
So they feel today is a final exam.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
today is the
Yeah, I
last
understand.
exam.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they feel so. Our kids feel so.
Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, what are your kids' future plans?
My son is going to do NEET.
Neat. Okay. Good
He's
luck.
preparing for
Yeah.
NEET.
Yeah.
So hope so.
Yeah.
My son is preparing for JEE.
JE. Okay. Good luck to all of your sons.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello. Happy Women's Day, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to answer some questions? Question about your child's preparation for the exam.
He is doing good.
Okay, doing good. Okay.
As of now, he is doing good. After the results, we will know how
Okay.
he has
Okay.
done.
And what have you done to support him during this time?
Just giving whatever he needs. That's all.
Okay,
Mental
that's great.
support
Yeah.
and
Mental support. Yeah, mental health is very important. Yeah. Yeah. And what is his future plan?
IIT, NIT.
Okay, nice. He's writing JE.
Yeah,
Okay.
he is writing
Okay.
JEE.
Okay. Okay.
Regarding users, RGR.
RGR. Okay. Yeah. So he's already taking coaching, I assume, for JE.
Yeah, he is in PG.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck to him then. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Women's Day, ma'am. Question கேட்கலாமா? குழந்தையோட ப்ரெப்பரேஷன் எப்படி போகுது மேம்?
டஃபா தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அவங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றது அவங்க பண்றாங்க. நம்மளோட இது நம்மளுக்கு
Okay, and how are you supporting him, ma'am?
supporting as such only moral support தான் தர முடியும். More than that, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
So அவங்க சின்சியரா இருந்தா தான் படிக்க முடியும். Actually, என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும்.
And how is their mental health? And
It's good.
okay, it's good. Okay.
இந்த ஏஜ்ல பண்ண முடியலன்னா வேற எந்த ஏஜ்லயும் பண்ண முடியாது. So they have to work hard. Other option.
Okay. Yeah. What's their future plans?
Sometimes she's writing for JEE, so I don't know how it will work.
Okay.
Yeah, she's already written mains.
Okay, she's already. Okay, that's good. Good luck to her.
Thank you.
So, regarding just your exam, how it went?
It was easier, much easier than physics and chemistry.
Okay, that's great.
Physics, I would see. I got set 3 in all the subjects,
Okay.
so it felt like set 3 was the toughest. But this time, like mathematics, set 3 was one of the easiest.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
And physics, like if you compare the paper with JEE, you'll find 2 or 3 JEE questions in the same.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
So this one was good. Like this was NCRT level.
Okay.
yeah, even if somebody didn't prepare for JEE separately, they can crack this paper.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
what do you wanted to do after your 12th?
IIT.
Got an IIT. Are you preparing simultaneously?
Yeah,
Any specific career that you want to choose?
probably electrical engineering if I manage to score.
What is that?
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering. Why is that?
Like I have this interest in physics, the circuits part and all.
That's nice.
So
Okay, I did really well though because
Okay, that's
I
good.
practiced a lot.
Okay.
It was
that's
fine. Many questions came from sample papers and
Okay.
all of that. I think it's fine. It's NCRT based and
Okay.
good level of difficulty.
Okay.
Paper, I hear many people telling it's lengthy. I'm not sure, but
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay, it was good.
I
Okay.
had 30 minutes of time at least for checking all that.
Okay, that's good. Okay. And what are your future plans?
Future plans? Something based on technology, maybe mechatronics, electrical.
Okay, nice. Okay, okay, cool. Good luck for it. So IITs, I'm assuming.
I'm preparing for that. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Maybe some other college.
What do you want to do after your 12th?
Maybe take a drop year, prepare for more, go to some other university, prepare for other competitive exams. So that's my initial plan. I don't know how it is.
Do you have any plans regarding career?
No, not yet, not yet. So, thank you.
Thank you.
How was the exam?
It was nice. It was easy. I did well.
Okay, you did well. Okay, that's good. Okay, and what are your future plans? What do you think?
I want to write JEE, get seat in IIT or NIT, and alternate option is writing IASER aptitude test, getting seat in IASER. So
Okay, that's nice. So, which research are you interested in?
chemistry.
Chemistry, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good. And is any specific chemistry like organic or?
I like organic, so preferably organic.
Okay, so biochemistry or?
Not biochemistry.
Okay, okay.
I'm not a biology student.
Okay, okay.
But you said that you wanted to do in IAS, yes, your second.
Yeah.
Like, do you have anything like any career in your mind, like doing research or something?
No. I am just planning on like getting the college, getting the course going where life takes me.
Right, right. Makes sense. Yeah. Good. All the best.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's
Thank you.
Day,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Actually, physics exam was really tough. A lot of people know that
Okay.
physics exam was tough. I even
Okay.
feel math exam was actually tough,
Okay.
Because set one, a few people, few people only said it's easy, but then majority people are saying it's tough, so I
Okay,
don't
right.
know.
Okay.
So I think the correction will go smooth if the paper is tough.
Okay.
The paper was very lengthy.
Oh, right. Okay.
Section A was really tricky. No, you had to put like fluke answers in the middle, so it's
Okay,
like
right,
that.
okay, okay. So you want to be a doctor?
I'm hoping. I don't know if
Good luck. Good
Thank
luck
you
and
very
happy
much.
Women's Day as well.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Would you like to? Okay.
Yeah, the paper was a bit easier because
Okay. Which set?
I got set one.
Set one. Okay. And what are your future plans? What do you want to do?
Sorry,
What do you want to do in the future? Like, what are your dreams?
I want to do aeronautical engineering.
Okay, nice. And where do you want to
Some
do?
IITs or NITs.
Okay, that's
I'm
good. Good luck
preparing
for
for
it. Good luck for it. Yes.
Thanks.
Okay. How was the paper?
Paper was easy.
Okay. It was
I
easy.
felt it was a bit lengthy because
Okay. Okay.
I felt paper was easy but a little bit lengthy.
Lengthy. Okay. Okay. And what are your future plans?
J.
JEE. Okay. Any specific engineering or?
No, it depends on J rank.
Okay. Okay.
Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, good luck for it.
Thanks. Thank you.
Would you like to? Reactions?
Okay, not about exam. We want to ask something else. We want to ask something about me. Okay, like, do you have anything like dream or something?
Your hopes and dreams.
Do you want to do engineering or anything else? Entrepreneurship? You want to do engineering? Medical? You want to be any specific in engineering? Mechanical? Why specifically mechanical?
I don't know. It's fun.
You don't know?
It doesn't matter. Any engineering is going to be the same topics. Mechanical is basically to the more of the core engineering, which I think is fascinating and fun. So I like
You like anything very specific regarding mechanics, like motorcycles, engine designing,
automotive.
automobiles? Bike or car?
Car for sure.
All the best. Your name?
Pawan Kumar.
Pawan. And what's your name?
Medical, there is nothing special.
Why do you want to do medical?
Biology is my favorite subject.
That's
That is
great.
the only reason.
Okay, I'm a
Oh,
biology
that's
faculty.
great. We both love biology. So. So research or
Actually, I'm planning for NEET medical direct doctor only.
okay, direct doctor. Okay.
I don't have research on mind right now.
You want to practice as a doctor. But many people are doing research after they do MBBS. What do you think?
I don't have any idea about that.
Okay. But it's a good thing. But because you like to do biology and you're going to be a doctor. It's a good approach. All the best. Thank you.
About how the exam is?
Exam was good.
Exam was good.
Not bad.
Okay. No comments. No comments.
No
Okay.
comments. No comments.
No comments.
The worst paper like in the 10 years, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually a theory where from 2005, 2010, like 2015 and 2020, all the 3 years had the worst papers. So I guess it's working out. The theory is working out.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you want to do like later?
Huh?
What are your dreams like? What do you want to do?
Mine was IPMAT, I guess, Integrated Program in Management.
Okay, nice. Okay. Good luck with that. Would you like to answer something more? How was the exam?
It was okay. It was lengthy. I got set 2. It was okay, but it was kind of hard.
Okay. And what do you want to do in the future? What are your dreams?
I'm trying for NEET, so I'm
Okay,
writing
good
NEET
luck.
next month.
Good luck, yeah.
Not next year.
Okay. And any specific reason why you want to be a doctor, or do you? Or,
Oh, it's just a lifelong thing.
okay. Good luck. I hope you get it. And happy Women's Day.
Yeah, it was fine. Like different sets had different types of difficulties, but
Okay.
yeah, my set was quite not so tough.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that it was so easy also.
All right. Okay.
So it
yeah,
was moderate.
Moderate.
It was, like you can like get. I expect that I would get more than 90 maybe.
Okay, that's great. Okay. And what are your future plans?
I've done my JEE mains now,
Okay.
so I'm waiting for that result.
Any particular engineering?
Yeah, like I'm not. If I get an NITs, then it is any engineering is fine. Or else I wanted to do mech.
Okay, mech. Okay. Good luck with it. Do you like building stuff and?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
missions or stuff.
Okay, that's nice. That's great. Good luck to you. Happy Women's Day.
How was the exam?
It was easy.
Okay. Like, what did you feel difficult? Anything, any specific?
Nothing was difficult, but it was lengthy. Too lengthy.
Okay. Did you find time?
Yeah.
Okay. You have anything in future like you want to do after
Preparing
12?
for JEE, you know.
JEE. Like, what is your career plan?
I don't have
You
anything.
don't have anything, but you want to have a good education.
Yeah.
That's awesome. How was your physics exam and chemistry?
Well, physics was not tough, but some things I didn't study properly, so I didn't write it. Chemistry was easy, very easy.
That's honest. What's your name?
Ritvik.
All the best, Ritvik.
Thank you.
Like very direct from NCRT or anything?
Set 1, it was indirect. in
Okay.
some
You wrote set
questions.
1?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
In
Then
set 2, it was direct questions for some questions.
okay.
Totally, it was okay.
What after 12th?
Actually, I have lots of plan to do. So.
Anything you wanna share with us?
Yeah, I want to try CA because I'm a commerce student.
Okay.
So after CA, my passion is all about fashion designing. So after completing CA or after completing a degree, I will go to fashion designing.
Okay. But you need to do a degree.
Yes.
That's like the mandatory thing
Yeah.
that you wanna face. Okay.
Because in fashion designing, there will be a lot of money to spend. So
Uh,
for that, I have to in a position to
earn money
pay. Yeah.
in order to create your product.
Yes.
So
I want to be an independent. So
that's great. That's very different from most of the people. All the very best.
thank you.
Hey, how was the exam, da?
Exam was moderate, but 1 mark was very lengthy.
Lengthy.
செக் பண்ண கூட டைம் இல்ல லைக்
Oh.
போட்டு நம்ம ஆன்சர் பண்ணி செகண்ட் டைம் செக் பண்ணது கூட டைம் இல்ல
Ah.
அதே மாதிரி 5 மார்க் क्वेश्चंस எல்லாமே 3 மார்க்ல கேட்டிருந்தாங்க 3 மார்க் क्वेश्चंस எல்லாம் 5 மார்க்ல கேட்டிருந்தாங்க
அப்ப டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் தான்
Ah.
டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருந்தது.
ஆமா மீதி எல்லாமே
But you attended every
yes
question.
everything
செக் பண்ணீங்களா?
ஓரளவுக்கு செக் பண்ணோம் அந்த 1 மார்க் எல்லாம் செக் பண்ண டைம் இல்ல அவ்வளவா
Okay.
மீதி எல்லாமே நல்லா செக் பண்ணேன்
சரி. What after 12th?
I'm going to do AI and data science.
Why specifically AI data science?
I want to do.
Okay, you feel like doing.
Yes.
Okay, happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
Paper is moderate paper only. Objectives is somewhat lengthy. It is not direct questions. Case studies are very easy.
Your name and your.
Sridevi, PG Max.
Thank you, ma'am.
பார்த்துருப்பீங்க பசங்கள்லாம் நிறைய வந்து ஃபீட்பேக் கொடுத்தாங்க. ரொம்ப டஃப் இல்லை. மேக்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலாக ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டஃப்பாக தான் இருக்கும். பட் இந்த வருஷம் வந்து பசங்க வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப மாடரேட்டாக தான் பேப்பர் இருக்குது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஆர்ஜிஆர் அகாடமி நிறைய பசங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஃபுல் மார்க்ஸ் வரணும் அப்படின்றத விஷ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அது இல்லாமல் ஆர்ஜிஆர் அகாடமியில் நீட்டு ஜேஇக்கான ஃபுல் இயர் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துட்ருக்கோம். ஒரு நார்மல் ரேட்டில் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக இந்த வருஷம் 40,000 rupees 1 year வெயிட் பண்ணி படிக்கணும். ஈவன் ஜேஇ படிக்கணும் பசங்க, ஐஐடி போகணும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க, இல்லைன்னா கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜில் சீட்டு வாங்கணும் நீட் எழுதி அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி 40,000. இந்த மெசேஜை வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.